say now that we are the concrete artists of the city. Before I start, I want to know the definition of artist. Who is an artist is? Can anybody tell who is the real artist is? 3H. Yes, always follow 3H in life. When only the first H is the hand. When the hand works, it's the labor part. Second H is the head. When head and the hand works together, it becomes skill. Third H is the heart. So when the hand, head and heart works together, it becomes an artist. So always do your work as an artist. And somebody has told who is taking care of the future. Is there anybody who is taking care of the building? Is there any? Yes, we will and we can take care of the future of our Chandigarh. So this is my college in which I have done my civil engineering from Thapar College in 95. And from there I have gone to Ooty at the campus selection. We always facilitate our clients from very start, from even the plot purchase. Once I treat my client as a god. So his every problem is my problem. So I even want my architect don't know the problems what he is facing. I want my designer to be focused on only the designing part, not on the execution part, not on the problems they are facing, what the clients are doing. No. The architects who have worked with me, they know that how can they do 10 sites at a time without visiting in a year. So that's a main thing, because as an architect, once you start the designing, your first design is the sole design which you give to the client. Just 200 years from now, 1824 was the day he invented cement. So it's a Portland place. So what Le Corbusier has did, he has done because of population rise. I think from 14th century to till 19th century, it was all load-bearing structures. When the rise of population came, the need of multi-story buildings came. Then the inventions of the multi-story came into place. So it's a big challenge, I think. So we have transferred ourselves. The big challenge onwards is the population growth will be 50% more. It's a big challenge. So we have to think again and again that we should be thankful to Le Corbusier that he has given 70 years. So we are still discussing Le Corbusier 70 years after. Started experimenting in concrete from there onwards. So firstly, when I created these structures in 50 mm, we have to invent new ideas, come together, sit together, have discussions, have some ideas, unique ideas, because you can see the batteries are coming in place of fuel. That's why we will start continuing the plantation of the trees, but we have to invent some very unique ideas and very new ideas. We have to sit together for that inventions. Otherwise, it will go like anything.